Welcome to another how-to video. How to transfer a Facebook account to another mobile number. So let's begin by opening your Facebook app. Then while you are in a Facebook app, click the three bars on the upper right of your screen. Then click Settings and Privacy. And then click Settings again. While you are in the Settings tab, click See More in the Account Center. While you are in Account Center, click on Personal Details. While you are in the Personal Details, click Contact Info. While you are looking for contact information, click Add New Contact, click Add Mobile Number. Now enter your mobile number, choose the profile you want, click Next, and I'll wait for confirmation of the code by typing my number. I choose to send it via SMS, type the code from SMS. That's basically it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.